What? If you could perform astonishing card magic without difficult sleight of hand. Welcome to New Semi-Auto Magic Card Miracles Volume 2 by Darren Martineau. Learn 35 amazing card magic routines starting today. Inside this collection, you'll learn 35 powerful card magic routines, many of them brand new, designed to look impossible, but are easy to perform. These are semi-auto working miracles. That means the magic does most of the work for you. No knuckle busting, no complicated moves. Just strong effects that leave audiences stunned. These are easy to learn, get powerful reactions, and are perfect for beginners and pros. Whether you're just starting out, or you're a seasoned magician looking for new, reliable material, these routines are built for real-world performance. You'll get 35 clear, step-big-ear tutorials, so you can follow along at your own pace and start performing right away. Perfect for close-up, street magic walk-around, casual performances, or anytime you want to create pure amazement with a deck of cards. Learn the secrets, perform the miracles, and start amazing people now. A new Semi-Auto Magic Card Miracles Volume 2 by Darren Martineau. Now click the link below.